Welcome to Techmates. Today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel Amazon return request. This guide will take less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, launch your application and get logged into your account. Now, in order to cancel your order, we will have to access this first. So in order to access it, select your profile and then select orders. Or under orders, you will see all orders. You can also tap on this button. Now, in my case, I have not yet placed any orders, but if you have placed any, you will see it right at this section. Now, find the orders containing the item that you wish to cancel the return for, then select View Return or Refund Status, which is next beside the item. And once you do that, you will see Cancel Return option. You have to select that, confirm your action, and this is how you can do it. If that helped you in any ways, hit like button and subscribe to our channel Techmates for daily tutorials. If you want a guaranteed answer to a question, join our Techmates membership. Members get priority responses to comments and queries. The link is right down below.